In the serene stillness of nature, a mystery unfolds, an uncanny dance of life, observed for centuries, yet understood by few. We're not talking about a peculiar plant or an elusive insect, but a phenomenon that transcends species, from the tiniest insects to the largest mammals. This mystery is as old as the Earth itself, the enigmatic ability of animals to sense the impending tremors of the Earth, the rumbling whispers of an earthquake. From the ancient tales of rats, snakes, and weasels abandoning their homes in Greek cities, to modern-day accounts of dogs barking incessantly, or elephants trumpeting and seeking higher ground, the stories are as varied as they are intriguing. Yet, the scientific world is still grappling with the how and why. What exactly do these creatures sense that we don't? Today, we delve into this fascinating world. We explore the enigmatic abilities of animals to sense earthquakes before they strike. From the ancient accounts of rats, snakes, and weasels fleeing Greek cities, there's a fascinating history of creatures seemingly forewarning of seismic activity. Birds abandoning nests, bees leaving hives, and fish leaping from water as if escaping an unseen threat. In the modern era, we've observed dogs refusing to venture outdoors, cats behaving restlessly, and farm animals becoming noticeably agitated. There are also instances of elephants seeking higher ground and ants deserting their colonies, seemingly aware of an impending tremor. In China, zookeepers reported abnormal behavior in their charges, from restlessness to refusing food, up to a week before a major earthquake. Even wild animals, like deer and wild boars, have been observed moving to safer areas before earthquakes strike. The anecdotes are numerous and compelling, painting a fascinating picture of an untapped sixth sense in the animal kingdom. But the question remains, just how do these animals know what's coming? But what is it that these creatures detect? The answer to that still eludes us, but there are several intriguing theories and hypotheses proposed by scientists. One of the most common theories is that animals are more sensitive to the Earth's vibrations than humans. Imagine a dog's sense of hearing, which is so keen that it can hear a sound frequency as high as 65,000 hertz, compared to a human's 20,000 hertz. This heightened sensitivity could allow them to feel the faint tremors that precede an earthquake. Another theory is linked to the changes in the air or atmospheric pressure that occur before seismic activity. It's suggested that birds, with their exceptional sense of pressure changes, may be able to detect these alterations. This could explain their sudden flight from an area about to be shaken. Some scientists also believe that animals may detect gases released from the Earth's crust before an earthquake. In the lead-up to seismic activity, stress on underground rocks can cause the release of charged particles into the air. These particles can react with water in the air to form positive ions, which some animals might be able to sense. Additionally, it's proposed that animals might be picking up on the Earth's electromagnetic variations. Studies have shown that electromagnetic changes occur before an earthquake, and some creatures, like bees and birds, are known to be sensitive to these fluctuations. While these theories are fascinating, it's important to remember that they are still just theories. Each one has its critics and skeptics in the scientific community. However, they offer promising avenues for further research and understanding. In conclusion, science is yet to fully understand the exact mechanisms behind this phenomenon. But what seems clear is that these creatures are picking up on something we humans can't. They are in tune with nature in ways that we are yet to comprehend. Scientists hypothesize that animals may feel the Earth's vibrations or sense changes in the air or gases released from the Earth's crust. And so the quest to unravel this mystery continues. Consider the goats tagged in a study, which showed unusual movement patterns before volcanic eruptions. These goats, living on the slopes of Italy's Mount Etna, began to move erratically in the hours leading up to an eruption. Their movements were captured by GPS trackers, providing a tangible record of their peculiar behavior. Similarly, take the case of the toads in Italy, who abandoned their ponds just days before a devastating earthquake struck L'Aquila in 2009. And let's not forget the intriguing case of the buffalo in Thailand. In 2004, these buffalo, sensing danger, stampeded to safety moments before a tsunami hit the area. These instances, while not conclusive, provide fascinating insights into the potential abilities of animals to predict seismic activities. They spur us on in our quest to understand and perhaps one day unlock the secrets of nature's early warning system. Or the buffalo in Thailand that, sensing danger, stampeded to safety moments before a tsunami. Some theories suggest animals detect ionization of the air due to large rock pressures. This phenomenon occurs when the stress of tectonic movements ionizes the air, creating changes in the environment that animals are sensitive to. This could explain why, for example, birds start to act unusually before an earthquake. They might be reacting to these ionized air particles. There's also the intriguing theory that animals can smell gases released from quartz crystals before an earthquake. It's believed that the intense pressure and heat generated by seismic activity can cause quartz rocks in the Earth's crust to release gases. Some animals, with their keen sense of smell, could potentially detect these gases, alerting them to the impending tremors. While these theories provide fascinating insights into the possible ways animals predict earthquakes, they are still being researched and tested. But one thing is for sure, nature is full of surprises, and we still have much to learn. Or smell gases released from quartz crystals before an earthquake. Despite skepticism, research continues. The myriad of anecdotes and observations about animals sensing seismic events has piqued the curiosity of scientists worldwide. They continue to delve deeper, examining the intriguing intersection of animal behavior and geophysical phenomena with rigorous scientific methods. Skepticism, inherent to the scientific process, challenges researchers to provide substantial evidence to support these phenomena. Yet, the potential rewards of this research are immense. Imagine if we could harness and understand the subtle cues our animal counterparts perceive. This could revolutionize our early warning systems, particularly in regions where technological infrastructure is lacking. The future holds promise. As we continue to investigate, we inch closer to unraveling this natural mystery. The goal? To understand these natural phenomena and potentially integrate them into early warning systems, especially in regions where such systems are still lacking. The journey is long and the road is winding, but every step brings us closer to the truth, one seismic wave at a time. For now, we rely on technology and preparedness to mitigate the impact of these natural disasters. Our seismographs, early warning systems, and disaster response plans are our bulwarks against the unpredictable might of seismic events. Yet, nature might have been whispering the secrets of foresight to us through the behaviors of our animal companions. Consider, if you will, a world where our understanding of these animal behaviors progresses to a point where we can integrate their early warning signals into our systems. Imagine the humble farm dog or the city pigeon becoming our first line of defense against the Earth's tremors. A world where we're not just reacting to earthquakes but anticipating them, thanks to the lessons learned from our fellow Earth dwellers. But perhaps in the future, we may learn from our animal companions how to better anticipate the Earth's rumblings. For now, we watch, we learn, and we prepare, ever hopeful for what tomorrow may bring.